Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering the hottest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of stickers and sticker machines, and I couldn't be more excited to share with you the best-selling items available on Amazon right now. These products are not just popular, they are the cream of the crop, the top picks that everyone is raving about. So whether you're a seasoned crafter, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone looking to add a bit of fun to your projects, you're in for a treat. Without further ado, let's get started with our countdown of the best-selling stickers and sticker machines on Amazon. Stay tuned, and let's explore these amazing products together. At number 5, we present the exquisite collection that merges nostalgia with creativity, the 120-piece vintage stickers set. Imagine a treasure trove of vintage charm at your fingertips, each piece a miniature work of art waiting to embellish your projects. Dive into a world where butterflies flutter, ferns unfurl, and mushrooms whisper secrets of the forest. These stickers bring the natural world into your scrapbooks, journals, and planners. Picture your daily planner transformed into a botanical wonderland, with each page telling a story through meticulously designed stickers. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, these stickers boast unparalleled durability. They're waterproof, sun-resistant, and leave no residue when removed. You can effortlessly reposition them to perfect your aesthetic vision without worrying about fading or damage. The clarity and vibrancy of these stickers are simply unmatched. Each design is printed in high definition, ensuring every detail pops with bright, clear colors. The adhesion is top-notch, making them suitable for a variety of surfaces. From water bottles to postcards, let your creativity run wild without limits. This set isn't just about decoration, it's about gifting joy. With 120 unique stickers, there's plenty to share. Delight friends, inspire students, or treat yourself to endless crafting possibilities. These stickers are more than just adhesive art. They're a gateway to a beautiful, personalized world. Embrace the vintage allure and elevate your DIY projects with this timeless collection. Coming in at number 4, we have a vibrant explosion of color and nostalgia. The Lisa Frank 1200 Stickers Tablet Book. Imagine flipping through 10 pages of pure, unadulterated joy, each page bursting with the iconic collectible stickers that defined an era. These aren't just stickers, they're a journey back to a world where dolphins dance in neon waves, unicorns prance under rainbow skies, and every creature is decked out in dazzling hues. With a whopping 1,200 stickers, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Perfect for crafts, scrapbooking, or adding a splash of whimsy to everyday items, this tablet book is a treasure trove for sticker enthusiasts of all ages. The designs are quintessentially Lisa Frank, bold, bright, and unapologetically fun. Each sticker is a mini masterpiece, from fantastical creatures to vibrant patterns, ready to transform any project into a dazzling display of creativity. Whether you're rekindling childhood memories or introducing the magic of Lisa Frank to a new generation, this sticker book is a must-have. It's not just about decoration, it's about bringing a little piece of joy into your daily life. Decorate your world with Lisa Frank, and let your creativity run wild with this magnificent collection. So, if you're ready to dive into a sea of color and creativity, the Lisa Frank 1200 Stickers Tablet Book is your perfect companion. Embrace the burst of fun and let your project shine with the legendary charm of Lisa Frank. Landing in the coveted third spot, we have a treasure trove of inspiration, the 300 PCS Motivational Sticker Set. Imagine a world where every sticker you place is a tiny beacon of positivity, a vibrant splash of encouragement. With 300 unique stickers, each ranging from 2 to 3.5 inches, this collection offers an incredible variety. No duplicates here. Every piece is a fresh dose of motivation. Crafted from high-quality PVC, these stickers are not just eye-catching but also durable. They're waterproof and UV-resistant, ensuring that the colors remain vivid and striking, even in the face of the elements. Think about the endless possibilities. Personalize your water bottles, laptops, journals, scrapbooks, and more with these uplifting designs. Each sticker is a miniature masterpiece, adorned with inspirational words and stylish patterns that can transform the mundane into the extraordinary. This set isn't just about decoration, it's a perfect gift choice. Whether for friends, family, colleagues, students, or teachers. These stickers are a thoughtful way to spread positivity and optimism. Each sticker is a little reminder to keep pushing forward, to stay optimistic, and to embrace life with a can-do attitude. And here's the best part. These stickers don't leave any residue. You can rearrange, reposition, and experiment with your designs without worrying about sticky remnants. Whether you're looking to inspire yourself or someone else, the 300 PCS Motivational Sticker Set is your go-to. Elevate your everyday items and infuse them with a burst of positivity. Dive into this vibrant world and let your creativity soar. Are you sticking around for the countdown of the best-selling stickers and sticker machines on Amazon? If so, don't be a stick in the mud. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to make sure you never peel away from our latest updates. Now at number 2, prepare to unleash your creativity with the 1512 Alphabet Stickers Set. This comprehensive collection is a game changer for anyone who loves DIY crafts, labeling, and decoration. Imagine receiving a package with 12 sheets, each packed with vibrant vinyl alphabet, number, and symbol stickers, totaling a staggering 1512 pieces. Each sheet, measuring 29 by 21 centimeters, showcases classic font letters, numbers, and symbols, all standing at a perfect 1-inch tall. These stickers are designed to add a touch of personalization and flair to everything they adorn. Crafted from durable vinyl, these stickers are not only visually appealing, but also built to last. They're waterproof and UV resistant, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're sprucing up your mailbox, decorating a classroom, or personalizing your laptop, these stickers stick firmly to smooth surfaces like windows, metal, and plastic, and they do so without losing their luster. Applying them is a breeze thanks to the self-adhesive backing and application tape. Simply peel and stick, and watch your creative visions come to life. From labeling and signage to car decals and gift tags, these stickers offer endless possibilities. Transform everyday items into eye-catching displays with these versatile, easy-to-use stickers. This set isn't just practical, it's an artist's dream. Enliven your scrapbooks, organize your notebooks, or create custom signs with these colorful, durable stickers. Whether for home, school, or office, the 1512 Alphabet Stickers Set empowers you to label, decorate, and craft with style and ease. Elevate your projects and let your imagination soar with this incredible sticker collection. Perfect for crafters, teachers, and DIY enthusiasts, this set is a must-have for adding a touch of personality and creativity to every corner of your life. And now, claiming the #1 spot, we present the epitome of creative expression, the 445 PCS Vintage Scrapbook Paper Journaling Scrapbooking Supplies Kit. This is not just a product, it's an invitation to a world of aesthetic wonder and nostalgic charm. Inside this treasure trove, you'll find 6 sets of vintage journaling scrapbook paper, offering a total of 360 pieces. But that's just the beginning. There are also 45 vintage scrapbook paper stickers and 40 sheets of exquisite flower stickers, all designed to cater to your diverse decoration needs. Each set is a journey through time, featuring themes that range from vintage floral patterns and grids to landscapes and postmark designs. Every piece is a tasteful embellishment, ready to elevate your papercraft projects. Whether you're working on a planner, bullet journal, or retro crafts, this kit has something to inspire every creative soul. The variety doesn't stop there. These journaling papers come in 3 different sizes: 2.4 x 2.4 inches, 2.1 x 3.5 inches, and 2.3 x 4.3 inches, giving you the flexibility to write, cut, or fold them into whatever shapes and sizes your projects demand. Crafted with quality and care, each piece of scrapbook paper is single-sided and printed with precision. They're durable, smooth, and resistant to tearing, ensuring your creations stand the test of time. The adhesive floral washi stickers add an extra touch of elegance. With their translucent design and reliable stickiness, they're easy to apply, won't fall off, and won't leave messy residues behind. Imagine your scrapbooks, diaries, and room decor adorned with these exquisite themes, each piece sparking new bursts of creative inspiration. The compact size makes it perfect for use on the go, allowing you to create beautiful projects wherever you are. So, if you're ready to take your paper crafting to the next level, the 445 PCS Vintage Scrapbook Paper Journaling Scrapbooking Supplies Kit is your ultimate tool. Dive into this world of aesthetic delight and let your creativity flourish like never before. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling stickers and sticker machines on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.